the secret soda sea of Van. "Hello, Van," shouted Atlas as he stepped off the train. He had come all the way to eastern Turkey, eager to see the famed city built beside a giant sparkling lake. A friendly man named Emre waved. "Welcome. I'm here to show you our incredible city." Their first stop wasn't a building, but a massive blue wonder, Lake Van, Van Gölü. "It's the largest lake in Turkey," Emre explained. "But here's a secret. It's not fresh water. It's highly alkaline, which means it's fizzy with soda and very salty. The lake is so big, people call it the Van Sea. And look, way up there," Emre pointed toward a rocky hill, "is the Van Fortress. We must visit Van Kalesi. It's 3,000 years old." The climb was long, but the view was worth it. Atlas looked down. The massive castle walls were built by the Urartu kingdom centuries ago. Emre explained that the Urartians called themselves the Kingdom of Van. "But the best adventure is sailing on the lake," Emre said, leading Atlas down. "We are going to visit Akdamar Island. It's an island only reachable by boat, and it hides a very special secret." The ferry chugged across the deep blue water towards a small, rocky island. Akdamar means sorrowful vine in local legend, but today it is home to a beautiful ancient Armenian church from the 10th century. Atlas loved the island's peaceful air, but suddenly, a sleek, snowy white cat with mismatched eyes, one blue, one amber, darted past. "A Van cat," Emre whispered excitedly. "They are famous only here." Emre explained that Van cats are known for loving water. They actually enjoy swimming, unlike most cats. They are considered a local treasure, protected by the city. By mid-morning, all that exploring made Atlas hungry. "Time for the famous Van breakfast," Emre announced. It wasn't just cereal. It was dozens of small plates filled with honey, cheese, olives, herbs, and thick cream. "Van is a city of layers," Atlas concluded, wiping honey off his chin. "It has history from 3,000 years ago, a mysterious soda lake, unique swimming cats, and the most delicious food."